Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be chatting with you about my moisture routine, my loc routine, a little update on what I am doing right now. So definitely stay tuned. Please like this video if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. First off, I hope you are having a great day, a great week. Whenever you are watching this video, I hope everything is well with you. I am doing good here. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I thought I'd just do a quick little update video because some things have changed for me. Right now, it's a little bit chillier, just a little bit. I'm in California, Southern California, so things don't get that drastically different, but it is a bit drier, a bit chillier. I have noticed a change in my hair, so I've acted accordingly. These routines I've posted before, what I'm doing, what I'm currently doing at any time in the season or any time in the year. But I just change my routine depending on, what's going on with my head. And I have seen a huge difference. So I've made some changes to go along with that. The first thing is I had stopped washing as much as my usual. And that was because of like time and me neglecting my hair and stuff. Didn't have anything to do with the seasons. So I changed that because I noticed my hair was getting drier. One of the first things I always say when you're battling dry hair is to wash more often. Give your hair more water. And so for me, that was what I had to do. So I'm back to washing more often. My last wash was about a week ago, maybe a little over a week ago. Not more than 2 weeks ago. I'm getting ready to wash again, and I am still on my shampoo, my Tea Tree Tingle, the Trader Joe's Tea Tree. I will link here to my shampoos video, so you will see exactly what I'm using. But I'm still on that one. And except when I did that video, I was at my sister's house and I had to use whatever she had on hand. I would not choose to use that one again. That was just sort of, you got to do what you got to do. So on the shampooing more. That's a big one. My second thing is, you guys know I usually do not spritz every day. I do not moisturize every day. My hair, I'm able to retain moisture, so I don't need to do that. Now I am. Not every day, but every couple of days. And for me, that was unheard of. I'll go weeks without spritzing my hair. But now I am back to spritzing with my rose water. This is not the one that, you buy in this pink container. It's the one I make. But I'm spritzing with my rose water as often as needed, which now I find it is needed more. So that's another one. That's the second change I have made. My third change is, you guys saw when I was at my sister's house too, I was trying out her oils, some of her different oils. So over there I tried the black seed oil, I tried like another oil mix, and then I tried jojoba oil. The jojoba oil I didn't really like on my hair as much. I tried it on my hair and body, all these oils. The black seed, if you guys watched that video, I was like, oh my god, I love this oil now. So in love with it, I wound up going home, ordering some for myself. The mail is a little wacky right now, so it actually did not come. It got lost in the mail, but that's fine because when I went back to my sister's house, she gave me her bottle. And, I used it for a few more days and then I got sick of it. The smell started bothering me, and I loved the smell and everything before when I first tried it. I did not like the smell. I felt like it was making me physically ill. And I've looked it up, and I know some people use black seed for, different physical things they're going through, physical ailments and stuff. So maybe I was getting some sort of reaction to it that way. I don't know. but I do not use it anymore. I can't stand the smell of it or to use it, which is a shame because I loved it. I fell in love with it, but I do not use that anymore. I just use my oils I have at home, which is my coconut oil. Mostly, and I'll put some, for my scalp, I'll put some essential oils and that in it. But for hair, like down the length of my hair, is the coconut oil. One new thing, though, I have tried is shea butter. I did not like this on my hair when I was loose natural, so I thought, I'm going to stay away from this as, locked. Plus, with butters and things, sometimes you can get buildup. If you have too much of it, use too much of it, it can build up in your locks. And I did not want that. This is just straight shea butter. You can see the ingredients there. It's just straight up, fair trade, all of that good stuff, vegan, not tested on animals, all of that wonderful stuff. So I bought this for my skin when our skin was getting a little dry, and we hadn't used shea butter for a minute, something I hadn't been back into, and I thought, let me try this on my hair. The last time I did my retwist, when did I retwist last? I don't know, but when I did my retwist, I used shea butter for my retwist. Isn't that interesting? Or it's interesting to me. It's different for me. You guys let me know down below if you are locked and if you use shea butter, and if you have used shea butter with your locks to retwist, or just shea butter on your locks, or any butters, and how that's going for you. So yeah, I did it my last retwist and was really happy with it. I'm still happy with it. But anywho, that's different for me. So I've liked it, though. I feel like it's holding in, or helping me retain a little bit more moisture too. And I'm actually going to put some of this on right now. I want to go in on my scalp. That's another difference, another change, is I had stopped doing my scalp oils, oiling my scalp. I only do that as needed. It's not a regular part of my routine. And so I've added that back in because my scalp gets a little bit itchy. And I will put my itchy scalp remedy right up here for you. But, that stops the itch right away. I've noticed that. I'm going to try some of this down on my scalp right now. I just kind of warmed it up in my hands. And I'm going to go in with that. And then I'll go down the length as well. But let me see. I think that's my latest and my greatest as far as what's going on right now. So, I just, like I said, change with how my hair is changing. Don't get stuck in anything like, oh, but this has been my routine, or such and such said this is, what's healthy for you. Your hair changes, your body changes, the seasons change. Everything changes if we're lucky. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Definitely let me know how you're doing down below, and if you have any questions, let me know that as well. And I will see you all in another few days. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.